Okay, today I'd like to show you how to sign up for RoomSketcher and also how to sign into RoomSketcher. So, to sign up, I'd like for you to go into Google Classroom and you're going to go to Explorations Academy. And what you can do is go to Stream or you can go to Classwork. So if you're going to Stream, just ignore this problem with a classmate, ignore the evaluation. You're going to click on Interior Design, okay? Or a quicker way to do that once you go into Google Classroom is to click on Classwork. Once you click on Classwork, go to Interior Design, click on the Google slide, and it's going to bring up some instructions for you. So it says, today you will sign up for RoomSketcher. So you're going to click here. It's going to bring up a link and you click on it. So when you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this sign up page here. I was already signed in, so that's why it didn't bring me there. You're going to type in your email address. So whatever your email address is, make sure you put the @ symbol in stlpcs.org. Again, make sure you have @ stlpcs.org. Do not put .com or @gmail. You must put stlpcs.org. Double check your email address and make sure it is correct. Then make up any password you want. And whatever your password is, make sure you don't have any illegal characters in it. Then you make sure that you confirm it. So anyways, you'll type in your password. Then you're going to go to what will you use RoomSketcher for. You're going to choose Interior Design, and then you'll click Sign Up. When you click Sign Up, it's going to email you a confirmation code. So you're going to go into your email, and the first thing you'll see is a RoomSketcher email. So let's go to the one that I got sent. And they'll either send you a code to confirm or you'll need to click on the link. It's a lot easier if you just click on that link. So when you click on that link, it's going to bring you into RoomSketcher. I've already confirmed mine, so that's why I didn't do it. So once you're in RoomSketcher, if you have already signed up, you're going to go to www.roomsketcher.com. Okay, then it's going to bring you to this page. You're going to go to sign in, type in your email and your password. If you can't remember what your password was, you're going to click forgot password, and then you need to check your email, your school email, to get the password reset. So I'm going to click sign in. On the left side, if I haven't started any projects, I'm going to click new project and then draw it yourself. When you click draw it yourself, it's going to ask you for a project name. Make up any project name that you want, and then you'll hit create, okay? Once you've hit create, you're going to hit enable flash, and then allow, and then reload. Again, once you've created a project, you'll need to hit enable flash, allow, reload. So I've already created some projects. So if you're signing in, you're going to go to projects, not new project, go to projects. So here's a couple of projects that I've started. So if I want to continue to work on one, then I'll choose, let's say, KitKat 2 here. Then on the right side, I'm going to go to edit in web version. Click on edit in web version. And again, it might pop up and say enable flash. You'll click allow and reload. And that's how you get started on your sketches. You can go into walls here and select what type of walls you'd like. I'm going to choose some thick walls for the outside of my house. So you just drag your walls. Once you have 4 walls connected to each other, then your floor is going to pop up. So now I have 4 walls connected. So if I would like to change that, I'm going to go to materials. And then I just click on which material I want, drag it, and drop it. And let's say my walls are too small. I'm going to go back to walls, and I'm going to choose this arrow. And then I'm just going to click on the wall I want to extend and drag it up. Okay. But let's say that I just want to get rid of this wall. As you can see, there's an X here. I'm going to click on that X, and that deletes the wall. All right. If you have any questions, just let me know.